Hey guys, and welcome back to a new Red Panda Bear Invest YouTube video. Today we're going to talk about top-down trading, or TDT. That's the strategy the legendary trader Jesse Livermore used to become one of the greatest traders in history. That's this guy right here. And if you don't have read his book, How to Trade in Stocks, you should definitely read it. Top-down trading means that you should only trade when all the factors are in your favor. Okay, so number one, what is the overall market trend? So if you want to buy a stock, then always check the index if we are trending upwards. If you want to sell a stock, obviously we have to be in a downtrend. Okay, the industry group is number two. Then we can use the ETF to check the industry group. And for example, if you want to buy a shipping stock, then we have to look at both the global shipping ETF. Is this trending in the same direction that the stock you want to buy? And if you want to buy, for example, a financial stock, a bank, let's say, you should check XLF. That's the financial ETF. Okay. And make sure that the ETF, the industry group, is trading in the same direction as the stock you want to buy. And number three, that's currency. Jesse Livermore did not talk about currency, but if you are trading in other currencies than your own, it's also important to trade with the trend of the currency you are buying. For example, I live in Oslo, Norway. I use Norwegian kroners. If I buy a stock, American stock in dollars up here, for example, and it's a good trade, I make 10% on the trade. But as you can see, USD NOK is down about 10% in the same period. So I'm actually losing money on that trade because I have to pay commissions to the bank. I'm losing money on that. Okay, so you always trade with the trend of the currency. Another example, I'm holding some stocks right now. I'm holding this stock, PAM, in dollar. I've made about 20% on that. But in the same period, we are down a couple percent in the currency. So it's still pretty good trade, but yeah, you see what I mean. All right. And if you can tick off all the boxes, the market are in an uptrend, the industry group of the stock you're buying are in an uptrend, and the currency looks good, it's trading in the right direction, then and only then can you buy the stock you're looking at. Okay, all factors should be in your favor. That's the deal. And I'm gonna show you 3 stocks I bought last month, 2 of them which I made a lot of money, and 1 where I did not follow my own rule, the top-down trading rule, and I lost money. So I bought EQX last month, highlighted here. Once we broke the 200-day moving average, we broke all the moving averages, and MACD closed in green. It looked really, really good. I checked the gold market, and same story. It's in a good uptrend. So bought that, sold it up here with a almost 25% gain. That's really good. Still ripping, unfortunately, but still a good trade. Same story with CMCL. Bought it down here. Gold is an uptrend. Holding it 3 days. Sold it with a 7.4% profit. Okay, because the industry group or gold is moving in the right direction, the underlying. And the one I lost about 10% in was CAIP, Corporación América Airports. So I bought that here because we closed higher than the moving averages. We had met support in the uptrend. It looked really, really good. MACD closed in green. So I bought it, but I forgot to check the ETF, the industry group, and let's check. This is the day I bought CAAP, the airline stock, but it's the industry group Jets ETF actually gapped down on that day with a huge sell indication. So if I'd followed my strategy, I would not buy the stock and I would not lose money, because after a couple of days I had to sell it following my own rules with about 10%, 12% loss, something like that. So that's it, guys. Make sure before you buy stock, you can tick off all the boxes. Is the overall market trending in the same direction you want to buy? Is the industry group, the ETF, is that trending in the direction that you want to buy? I'm sure if Jesse Livermore used this strategy, he made $1.5 billion. I mean, it's probably a good strategy, right? So thank you for watching, and have a good night. See you next time.